Welcome back to digital class, and now we are looking at this question number 9. Question number 9 here says that a rectangular container, so this is a rectangular container with a base of 25 cm by 16 cm, so as you can see 25 cm, 16 cm, and a height of 48 cm. Now again, this 48 cm is the height of the container, is not the height of the water. Now, but they give us a tips. Here says that 1/3 of it filled with water at first. So let's just focus on this part first. Now, if I were to find the volume of water inside, so what do I need to do? It's basically 1/3 times 25 times 16 times 48. Okay? But what happened is, after I found the water, here actually mentioned one more thing. 500 ml of the water was then used to water some plant. If I use that 500 for something else, means I need to do what? I need to minus away. So again, first, what is the volume of the water? Is 1/3 of 25 times 16 times 48. That is the volume of water inside. So if you press in your calculator, you should get 6400. And again, this is in cm cube. But teacher, teacher, you just now mentioned you need to minus, right? Then ml and cm cube, can I minus? Yes. Again, ml, 1 ml is the same as 1 cm cube. So I actually can understand that this is also 6,400 ml. I can use it as ml as well, right? So 6,400 minus 500 means that now remaining, what is the remaining? 5900. That is the remaining ml. Okay, this is in ml again. But the problem here is what? The question is asking for liter. That's why you are given the unit liter. How do I convert this into liter? So again, liter, if you convert into ml, you must times 1000. If you convert back, you should divide by 1000. Again, you have learned this in your booklet R1. So if you divide 1, 2, 3, 1000 means the answer is 5.9, and this is in liter. Okay, now let's move on. The questions continue to say that now Marilyn pour all the remaining water. What's the remaining water? 5.9 liter into several identical bottles. Again, I have several bottles, they are the same. Each bottle had a capacity of 200 ml. So it means that now I have this water, 5.9 liter water. I want to pour inside bottle like this. And all of these bottles are the same. Okay, I don't know how many bottles, but I know each of them have 200 ml. 200 ml. 200 ml. Now, what was the least number of such bottles to hold all the remaining water? Now, of course, I will not use 5.9 here. I will use 5900 ml. Why? Because all of them using ml. So that will be much easier. So if I want to find how many bottles do I need to use 5900 divide by 200. So press on the calculator and you should get 29.5. But teacher, what do this mean? Means that I have 29 of this bottle, but the last bottle will be what? Will be half, 0.5. But teacher, so should I put the answer 29 or should I put the answer 30? Which one? Now, if the question say, I want to find the number of bottles that is full 200 ml, then it will be 29. But this question says what? This is very important. Focus. This question says what? The least number of such bottles, but I want to hold all the remaining water. I want to hold everything. Means that not only this 29, I want this water as well. So it's actually how many? I cannot say 29.5, right? I use another new bottle as well, right? So it's 29 plus 1, which is 30. So the answer is what? 30. Okay, again, it is not about like rounding off. Like, teacher, 29.5 round off is 30 ma. No, no, no. This is not about rounding off. It's about the question. If I say I want the bottles that is full 200 ml, then it will be 29. But if I say the number of bottles that's being used, then it will be 30. Even half use is used as well, right? Okay. So that's all for this question. Please be very careful with the word they use in the question. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.